What's up everyone? Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen. Tonight we are making potato mushroom blintzes. What's a blintz? Well, a blintz is pretty much a crepe filled with yummy goodness and then it's a little pocket and then you eat it. All the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. First, you want to grab a ½ pound of Yukon Gold or another waxy potato. We're going to skin it and boil it for about 20 to 25 minutes. As I said before, blintzes are crepes with some filling in it, so if you haven't made a crepe before, then you can check out my crepe video. It was pretty easy. While your potato's boiling, go ahead and start on your other veggies. You're going to need a small onion and some mushrooms. Dealer's choice, whichever mushroom you want. Now we want these onions fine dice. Alright, tender enough. We're going to drain these. While those are draining, grab a skillet. We're going to throw in our canola oil. Put this on a medium heat, and once it's all good and hot, we're going to throw in our onion. In the meantime, grab your potatoes and mash them up. Alright, we're going to stir in our onion, and we're going to saute this for about 15 minutes until it's golden brown and nice and soft. Fun fact. Ah, the mushroom. They can evoke quite the emotion. Either you love them or you hate them. But we should all be thankful for the mushroom because if not for them, we wouldn't have penicillin. There are over 75 species that glow in the dark. And the mushroom is more closely related to humans than to plants. Once these are soft, which they pretty much are, we're going to add in our mushrooms. And if you want, it's optional, your caraway seeds. It's optional. You don't have to, but you need to do the mushrooms. And we're going to saute this for about 7 minutes, just until the mushrooms are tender and most of the water has been absorbed. I think the liquid has absorbed as much as it's going to, so I'm going to take this off the burner. You want to grab a crepe pan or an awesome skillet for cooking your blintzes. You're going to heat this up real good and hot. In the meantime, you want to fold in your onions and mushroom mixture into your potatoes, and we're going to season it with salt and pepper to your liking. Now these potatoes are supposed to be coarsely mashed, so don't worry about getting these all nice and creamy. I think we're good to go. Now we want to assemble our blintzes, so grab your crepes. And what we're going to do is put in 2 to 3 tablespoons of this mixture in the middle, create an oblong-like shape. That's what the book said. And then we're going to fold it very specifically. Keep your spatula handy because you're going to use it in a second. All right, we're supposed to fold it 2 sides and then the other sides. And don't break them like that. Okay, well, so it broke because I got it out of the fridge. If you just cooked it like you're supposed to, then they'd still be kind of, you know, warm and easy to fold. These are not, so I'm gonna heat them up a little bit. All right, this is a little bit easier to work with. Take 2. All right, let's try this again. Oh, that's hot. That's hot. There we go. It's supposed to be like a rectangular object like that. Try not to burn your fingers like it is mine right now. And then we're gonna put it seam side down. We'll work on the second one. In the meantime, put some softened vegan butter in the skillet because we're gonna fry these up real nice. You want them nice and brown. Should also probably make sure to not overfill these blintzes. You're gonna put these seam side down, just like so. And we're gonna cook these for about 3 to 4 minutes per side because we want it to be nice and crispy. Let's take a peek. They are done. Let's try it. So as far as toppings go, you can either put a sour cream or some applesauce. I'm just gonna put a little bit of sour cream. Vegan, of course. I have to say it's surprisingly good. Mushroom is not my go-to thing to eat. The crepes though are nice. You know, I just made these recently, so I know the crepes are good. But for those of you who didn't see that video, the crepes are very easy to make actually, and they're nice and fluffy but thin. And the filling is pretty good. I put in probably, you know, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and then a whole bunch of black pepper. They're pretty good. I would say definitely put some kind of either sour cream or there's a dill sour cream recipe. I'm a sauce person though. All in all, I give it a surprisingly good thumbs up. Alright y'all, I enjoyed making these. I hope you enjoyed watching them. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to subscribe and comment and share and all that good stuff. I will see you all next time. Mulder, how about you not freak out?